Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We are here in Marmaris. We're at the port, harbour, and there you've got the castle up there. You've got Sabrina standing to attention. And yeah, got roof terrace. I really want to get up to one of these roof terraces. If you just watched my other video, actually, look, there's some people at that one. Bar, Sunset Bar. I want to go up to a roof terrace and have a beer. But yeah, check out all these boats. These quite look private, if I'm honest. They look like they're people, families on holiday. That little lighthouse down there. Yeah. A little castle, people up the castle. Let me know in the comments if you've been up to the castle before. Spoons Terrace. She said we can go on Spoons and go up to the terrace. Hello mate.
Hello.
How are you? Can we go into the terrace?
Biraz
Yeah.
Serhat Bey, içecek terasa çıkacaklar, olur mu? Bir konuşalım da. Yes, sir.
Is the terrace open?
Terrace, yeah?
Yeah, can we go up, have a beer?
Yeah.
We only want beer though, yeah? Thank you. Oh, you want something else, yeah? Alright. Bye guys. Alright, let's go up to the terrace. We're in. Should you put me inside here? Got all your wines, everything you'd need. Check the little Turkish hat out. The Marmaris on it. Lovely blowing the water on you. Let's go up. Whew. So we're going to someone's house. So we're going up to someone's house. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Hello. Very nice. You get all the views here. Where do you want to sit? Yeah. All right. Let me show you guys around quickly. It's our first time coming into. Put my bag over here. Oh, excuse me. Look at this up here. Come up here with your family. Have a meal. Door there. Don't know what that's to. Sabrina doing a selfie. I did say before I need to get my health in check. Thank you. Need to get my health in check a little bit. Just walking upstairs, get a little bit out of breath. But yeah, that's where we just started the video down there. And you can see all the way around to Ishmala. All the private boats. Imagine having one of them. Let me know in the comments if you're rich enough to own one of these boats or if you've ever owned a boat like this. If you're thinking about buying one, let me know who you are. Contact us on Facebook, I'm sure we can work together. But yeah, what a lovely view. So, Sabrina's got herself a nice pear? Is it pear Coke? Pear tea?
Iced tea.
Iced tea. And I've obviously gone for the FS.
Yeah, I can't do any more beers.
No, Sabrina's no more beer girl.
Had about 4 beers yesterday, maybe 5. Met a nice couple. Had a couple before we'd met them as well. Now I'm done.
Cheers, guys. All right, so we just had that beer at Spoons. Here's a price for you. So you get tuna baguette, $4.20. We got Turkish fire pan. What's that? 1,290. What's that? Just over 20 quid. So yeah, good prices, especially where you are. Once you get down there, there's a lovely little roof terrace. And let's keep going. So, right here, get your taxi boats. Let's go around and see the Cheeky Man. Go and see Cheeky Tiger. See if he's in the shop. We'll have a little chat with him, eh? Yeah. So it's just gone 12 now, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I think so.
It's just gone 12.
I don't know what's on.
It's nice down here at this time, actually. There's not many people, so...
Yeah, again, I think a lot of people are out on the excursion.
Yeah, excursion time right now. All the other yachts. Look at the size of this one, Tan Way.
Nice.
Bloody hell. Look at that. Ginormous.
A whole little bit there.
I know. Really good. Really good. And this is just, you know, massive. Oh, ginormous. Make you feel very small, don't they? I'm inadequate. So, knick-knack shop. I don't know if you've ever brought stuff from here like that. I brought some stuff in Tenerife before and it doesn't last very long. So I stopped buying stuff like that. I don't know if you have to buy like more expensive stuff. Oh, okay, you got the old English telephone box there with a Chanel bag in there. Check that out. Very cool Chanel box. Oh yeah, look at Big Ben in the corner. I don't know if that's not Big Ben, but yeah. It's a clock. You got a nice horse in the corner as well. Check the horse out. Yeah. Ah, look at the front of the boat there. I don't know if you can see. They've got one of them. They pull you along on a speedboat. You just sit down in it. Very nice bags. I'm not into handbags myself. I'm not one of them guys who holds a handbag. Yeah, each to their own. If you want to hold a handbag, it's up to you. You've got Dubai, yeah. Check out the prizes in Dubai. We got, this is what we got here. That's drinks, food. So, chicken plank, $9.50. Pepperoni pizza, $7.60. Grilled steak for how much, winner? Oh yeah, so 1,190. What's that, £22? Which is not too bad. You pay a little bit more in England, won't you? For that type of food. Don't know if it'll be as fresh as here. Yeah. So, where's Cheeky Tiger? I'm sure this is this one here, isn't it? Cheeky Tiger. Is it this one? I can't even remember if I'm honest.
This one on the corner.
Yeah, probably was. Look at this boat, yeah, very nice. All the goodies inside. Get your traditional carpet. I don't know if you ever bought a carpet for. How did you get that back?
Oh, it depends if you're just in another part of Turkey, you can just bring it back, can't you?
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely can do that. Looks like Cheeky Guy's not around today then.
The Ottoman roof up there, another nice little roof bar.
Oh yeah. Purple Rain. Do you like a Purple Rain cocktail? Let's go this side of this fountain. We've got Flex up the top there.
Bags there.
Everyone just turning up. Let's go down there. It's just got more restaurants down there. Right. Got Alibaba. Very cool, whatever this is. Is this a shop? Is that a bar? Hello. There's like a bar. Very nice. So, Bar Street in the daytime. We'll be back here later, so if you cut to us later on, you'll be able to see all the crazy antics that's going on down there. This one's up for sale. I'm guessing when it's got stuff like that on, you can buy this one. Got Temple Bar here. Everything all covered up, ready for tonight. Check the kebab out. Nice chicken kebab. But yeah. Right, well, I'm going to end this one here. So guys, remember to like, share, comment. Make sure you share the video to your family and friends, and I'll catch you on the next one.